A very good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and stay safe and healthy at your places. Okay, students, now it's time for English session. So take out your child-centric English perfection toolkit 1 of 2 joyful C, and now open page number 5. In earlier session, we recognize letter M to P. Okay, and today once again we will start from apple, apple. Okay, so this is an apple. Phonic sound of a is apple, ant, alligator. This is beaver, bat, beaver, ball, beaver, bell. This is seek, car, seek, cat, seek, cap. This is deed, duck, deed, dog, deed, drum. This is an elephant, elephant, egg, engine. This is a fish, F for fish, F for fan, F for flag. This is a goat, goat, grapes, guitar. This is H her horse, H her hat, H her hen. This is an insect, I-E insect, I-E ink pot, I-E India. This is J jam, J joker, J jet. This is cake kite, cake kangaroo, cake king. This is L lion, L lamb, L lemon. This is M mango, M monkey, M mat. Now this is N nut, N napkin, N nest. This is an orange, orange, ox, octopus. This is people, parrot, people, pen, people, pig. Okay, and today we will continue from Q, okay. So once again, this is mama letter M. This is baby letter M. This is M. Mango. M. Monkey. This is M. Man. This is M. Moon. This is M. Mouse. This is M. Mask. This is M. Mother. This is mama letter N. This is baby letter N. This is N. Nest. This is N. Nib. N. Net. This is N. Necklace. This is N. Nut. This is N. Nurse. This is N. Nose. This is mama letter O. This is baby letter O, and phonic sound of O is O. Okay, O. Orange. This is O orange. This is O octopus. This is O owl. This is O onion. This is O oven. This is O olive. This is O ostrich. This is mama letter P, P. This is baby letter P, P. This is people, parrot. This is people, pig. This is people, pan. This is people, parachute. This is people, plant. This is people, panda. This is people, penguin. Okay. Now, next letter. This is mama letter Q, and phonic sound of Q is Q. Okay, this is baby letter Q. Phonic sound of Q is Q. Okay, Q. This is Q, queen. This is Q, queen. This is Q, quiet. This is Q-qua, quiet. This is Q-qua, quilt. This is Q-qua, quilt. This is Q-qua, quarter. Quarter means 1/4 part. Okay, 1/4 part. Quarter. This is Q-qua, question mark. This is Q-qua, question mark. This is Q-qua, quill. This is Q-qua, quill. This is Q-qua, quail. This is the bird, quail. Okay, quail. Now, this is mama letter R, R. This is baby letter R, R. The phonic sound of R is R. Okay, R, R. So, whose picture is this? Yes, this is a rat. This is R, rat. This is R, rat. This is R, rabbit. This is R, rabbit. This is R, rose. This is R, rose. This is R, ring. This is R, ring. This is R, robot. This is R, robot. This is R, rhinoceros. This is R, rhinoceros. This is R, rainbow. This is R, rainbow. Have you seen rainbow? Yes. Now, this is mama letter S. This is baby letter S. The phonic sound of S is S. Okay, S. This is S. Sun. This is S. Sun. This is S. Strawberry. This is S. Strawberry. This is S. Sheep. This is S. Sheep. This is S. Snake. This is S. Snake. This is S. Scissors. This is S. Scissors. This is S. Sharp. This is S. Sharp. This is S. Ship. This is S. Ship. Now, this is mama letter T. T. This is baby letter T. T. Okay, the phonic sound of T is T. Okay, this is T. T. Tiger. This is T. T. Tiger. This is T. T. Tomato. This is T. T. Tomato. This is T. T. Teddy. This is T. T. Teddy. This is T. T. Tree. This is T. T. Tree. This is T. T. Tortoise. This is T. T. Tortoise. This is T. T. Tent. This is T. T. Tent. This is T. T. Table. This is T. T. Table. Okay. So students, in this way you have to recognize mama letter as well as baby letters, and you have to recognize some similar objects or pictures at your home. Okay. So now it's writing time. So take out your English notebook with your pencil and eraser. Okay. Now start from the top. Okay. Now go to the bottom and draw a slanting line like this. Okay. First you have to draw a circle like this, then at the bottom you have to draw a slanting line like this. Okay. This is Q-qua. This is mama letter Q-qua. Now baby letter, start from the middle, then draw a half circle like this, then go to the upward, then go to down, then slanting line. Like this. Okay. Start from the top mama letter Q curve. This is baby letter Q curve. Okay. Trace over the dots. Now mama letter R. Start from the top, then half circle like this, then slanting line till the bottom. This is mama letter R. Now baby letter, go to the middle, then standing line till the bottom, then slightly curve like this. Okay. This is baby letter R. Start from the top and join the dots, then half circle, then slanting line like this. This is baby letter R. Now S. Start from the top, then half circle, then go backward like this. This is mama letter S. Now start from the middle, then backward. This is baby letter S. Now teacher. Start from the top, slipping line, draw slipping line, go to the middle, then from the center, standing line. This is mama letter teacher. Now baby letter, start from the top, standing line, slightly curve, then go to the middle, then sleeping line. Okay, draw here sleeping line. Okay. So students, you have to do practice in your English notebook, right? And you have to recognize mama letter as well as baby letters, and you have to recognize pictures and objects related to these letters, and you have to speak in complete sentence like this is a. Okay, and show me through your videos, send me your regular work and regular videos, right students? And you have to do again and again practice at home, right? Now today's English session is over.